Hey, and what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you two festive Starbucks latte that you can make from home. And the first one is going to be the gingerbread latte, which is full of cinnamon, ginger, and molasses, and your peppermint mocha latte, which is full of chocolate and peppermint, the two things that you'll love at Christmas season. Hi, and welcome back to my channel. And in this video I'm going to be showing you two festive lattes from Starbucks. So I live some ways away from Starbucks, and we all know I live in the country now. I don't live in the city limits anymore, so it's really hard to find Starbucks and good coffee. We do have a coffee out here somewhere that I do want to try, but I haven't yet. So no further ado, let's get into the syrup. You're gonna need 1/4 cup of brown sugar, a 1/2 cup of white sugar, and then we're gonna put 3/4 of water and 3 tablespoons of molasses. And by the way, molasses is really messy. Like my tablespoon sinked on the bottom and I didn't even know it. But yeah, very messy. It was very funny because I put it in the jar and then I turned back and it was gone. So I was like, what did I do with it? Oh well. So next, you're going to need 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and you're done. After that, you're going to put it on a medium heat on the stove and let that baby boil. But while stirring. So you're going to stir the pot, and when it starts boiling, you want it to boil for like a couple, I want to say like 5 minutes, and then you're going to turn it to a simmer, and you got yourself some syrup, but then you want it to cool off. So do not try to put this syrup inside of your coffee like piping hot. So now I'm gonna tell you this. I did not make these recipes up. It was on a website, and I'm gonna leave it down below. I want to say it's a blog, and I want to give credit where credit is due. So now we're gonna start by doing the peppermint syrup. So same thing, 1 cup of sugar and then 1 cup of water, and we're gonna start mixing it, and then you're gonna add some peppermint extract, which I got mine from my local Walmart. I'm pretty sure you can get it from a local grocery store, period. And then you're going to stir it just like how you made your gingerbread latte syrup. It's very easy to make these syrups once you know what you're... Okay, on to the mocha syrup. So what we're going to do is add the same thing, a cup of sugar, a cup of water, and then the only thing different is we're going to add in that cocoa powder, which I think is so genius to have a mocha syrup other than adding your cocoa powder to your coffee. I don't know, that's just my preference. But you're going to do the same thing, you know, medium heat. Wait until it's boiling. Wait until it comes to a boil, and then you have yourself some syrup once it cooled down. Once all your syrups are done, you can start by making your lattes. I think this is super cool to also just keep on hand, just so you can spice up your little coffee in the morning. That's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna start making our lattes. So first you're gonna just put like 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, which I did, and then you're gonna add some water, some hot water into that tea, and then we can add in the syrup. I personally just go by my gut feeling, so when my gut tell me to stop, I stop. So I did use almond milk, thinking I'm gonna get a lot of froth, but think about this. Frothing comes from fat or sugar, one of the two, fat or sugar. And honestly, my almond milk don't really have much of it, so I'm not gonna get much of a foam type texture. So guess what I had to do? I literally had to add in my creamer because I don't like milk like that. I honestly tried to do this with a whole milk or 2% milk. I tried both, and I got so sick to my stomach. Like, I'm still suffering today. So I wind up just using my sweet cream, which is Cold Stone, and then I add some little nutmeg powder on top. And don't that just look so delicious? Like, and it tastes good too. On to my peppermint mocha latte. So the same 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, or you can do espresso. I forgot to say that in the last latte, and we're gonna add in the syrup for the peppermint. So this is the peppermint syrup, and now we're gonna add in the mocha syrup. And wow, that just sounds so easier than, I'm telling you, it sounds so easier than adding powder. And now we're gonna add in the same thing, which is the creamer, and let it froth. I don't know how many people I have right now cringing at this, but if you want to use whole milk, 2% milk, even 1% milk, low fat milk, you can. It works for all, but this is just my preference. I do not like milk at all. It makes me sick. So I just use creamer instead, and it honestly tastes the same. It's just the fact that it's creamer. So what? So now I'm gonna bring out some Cool Whip, and it kills me that it's not the aerosol one, the one that comes out the can, but this will have to make do. I'm just gonna scoop this out like ice cream, and I put a little razzle dazzle of chocolate on top, because peppermint mocha peppermint mocha latte isn't peppermint mocha latte without chocolate drizzle on top. And then we're gonna add a little dash of peppermint flakes, which is crushed candy cane, nothing fancy. In order to do that, all you have to do is just get a little candy cane and crush. Alright, so I want to thank you for watching this video. It was very, very, very fun, and also very tasty. I hope you enjoyed this video. A latte. I know, like, I'm so corny sometimes. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more Vlogmas videos, because I got them coming, even though it is very tiring some, and I want to say it's only when it's time to edit, because when I edit, it's literally like I'm doing everything at the same time. So yeah, but thank you for watching.